So I just got a new drone, the Bebop 2, or the Bebop Parrot 2. So yeah, I'm gonna get some footage of this for some music videos and for some gig footage. Oh boy. No way. I didn't even know it was gonna come with these glasses. That is so cool. And a controller. That'll come in handy.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
Well, that was short-lived. The drone lasted for about 1 minute before it decided to just dive bomb straight to the ground and crash. I'll show you what it looks like. One of the propellers came clean off. God, if my camera would actually focus. What else happened? This battery pack literally, it's kind of snapped on both sides. So I managed to kind of push it into the drone just to get the footage out, but yeah, it is pretty buggered. So yeah, cost me about £400. I flew it for about 1 minute and it's crashed straight away. So, and I'm guessing it's going to take Parrot, the company, I'm guessing they're going to take 3 weeks, 4 weeks, just to probably tell me that they're going to give me a new one, hopefully. Hopefully. I mean, I had it for a day, not even a day, and it just broke, so we shall see. I'll let you know what happens.